Hey all, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you all how to make pav bhaji, a world famous fast food dish or the king of the street food. So without further ado, let's begin the video. For this recipe, firstly in a large kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of butter, add vegetables. Here I am adding 1 cup of tomatoes, boiled carrots, 1 large cup of potatoes which is boiled and smashed, and 1 cup of peas. Now add 1 glass of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and cover it and boil for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, mash the vegetables smoothly, making sure there are no lumps. Now add 1 spoon of chili powder, half spoon of turmeric, 1 spoon of pav bhaji masala and 1 spoon of garam masala. Mix well. Now take another pan, add 1 spoon of butter, 1 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 spoon of red chili and pav bhaji masala and a half lemon. Mix well for about 2 minutes. Further add half cup of water or as required. Add 1 spoon of salt and mix well. Now prepare the pav by heating half spoon of butter, a pinch of chili powder, a spoon of pav bhaji masala. Mix well. Now slit pav in the center and roast with spiced butter. Roast both sides of the pav till they turn slightly warm. Finally serve them with some chopped onions, coriander, lemon and butter. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more such amazing recipes. Thank you.